Hello guys, welcome to Digital Genius, and today guys I'm going to tell you guys about mail merge. So basically mail merge is a way in Microsoft Word where you can send multiple like tickets or letters with this main content being the same. For example, I want to send a letter to maybe like someone. I can say uh, I'll take John. Guys. So I'll increase the font to 24 so you can see. So think that I want to send a mail to John, or I'll take some random names. We'll take. We can put Steven and Samarth and many other names. So if you want to send a letter to these people and you want to have a same I can say a same main content. So for example, I'll say um, dear John. Then I will write the main contents here and then end it with my name and my address. So what we can do now, not my address, so I'll end it with my name. And so now what we will do now is we are going to learn about how to make a mail merge document. So you're gonna use address book and a address book, which is basically a Excel document that you're gonna use. So I'm gonna keep one open now. So guys, I found this Excel sheet. So we are gonna use this layer. So we'll minimize this. So get back to the main point. So now so now you're in the document. First thing you need to do is go and click the mailings tab. The next thing you're going to do is click on the drop down list of start mail merge. You will see, click on the step-by-step mail merge wizard. So now the mail merge wizard has opened. So first, well, they're gonna ask you a question. What type of document are you working on? So you can select which type of document you want to make like if you want to send a letter, an email message. It can depend on you. So I'm using the default document, which is the letters. So let's click on next. Now they will ask us, how do you want to set up your letters? So we need to use the current document because we're gonna write everything down here. So if you want to start from a template, you can, or start from an existing document if you have. So we'll click on next. So now another question they have asked, to select our recipients. Now to select our recipients, what we have to do mainly is if we need to so mainly the default option is use an existing list, because we are going to make a list here, and then we have to browse the list and upload it over here so that we can work on it. So I want to show you guys how to make the list. So I'm gonna go and zoom here. I'm gonna zoom to 200% so that you guys can see. Now I'm gonna put the names here for my think. So think, guys, that I'm creating a name like a letter for a birthday party. So what all main contents we would need? First is the name of the person, then we may need the address of him and other things. But for now we'll consider the name and address. This is the correct spelling. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is these are the headings, so it's default. You don't need to do anything, just keep them as it is. So we'll type in the old names, which were John and Stephen and Summer. I'll add a few more names, like let's say, okay, that much. I cannot think of any names. So we'll click we'll click on the address column and we'll type the addresses. So I can say maybe Main Street, 34th Colony, and you can type in the other details, but I'm not going too complex right now just because it's just a video where we're gonna just see how to do everything. So you can customize the address, names, whatever you want, but this is just for the what can I say, the video. So I'll say for Stephen we can say 2nd Street, and I can say here the 25th Colony. Now I can increase this. We'll say 4th Street and 14th Colony. So now we have the address book or the data source. So the data source is basically another name for the address book. So what we're going to do now is we're going to save this Excel document. Click on save. You can put whatever names you want. For now, I'll keep it as we'll say test video. And you have to keep this as usual, XLSX, and click on save. Now our Excel document is saved. Now we'll go to the main document, click on browse, and then guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for your basically where the file was stored. So my file was stored somewhere here. Yeah, so I'll open it. So now here is the document, the dialog box. So just leave it as usual, guys, and click on OK. So it's gonna ask us which all names you want and what things you want in the document. So if you want everything, you can, or if you don't want anything, you can just leave it as it is. And there are more options here. You can click on them. And so we'll go with the default thing, and we'll click on OK. So now what we're gonna do is click next, write your letter. So now we are going to basically write a letter. So you can write dear. Now what you need to do, you want different people's name at the same time. So click on more items. And what you want here is the name, because we're going to refer to someone. So click on insert. And voila, you got your name. Now what you're going to do is you can type in the main contents. I am inviting you to my birthday party. I am sure that we will have a lot of, okay, 1 minute, guys. There's an error here. So now we're going to go here and we're going to type our name. So my name is P. Naik. Let's leave it as it is. And that's it. We can write your friend. And yeah, now we have our letter. So we can. Oh, well, we forgot to put the address, guys. So we can go up here, and we're gonna type the address. So we're gonna go and type address. And now I'm gonna click on more items, address, insert. Guys, now our document is done. Now what we have to do is preview our letters. So here it is. Voila. Now you can send them to wherever you want. But we are not done yet, everyone. 1 minute. Now we are going to preview our results. We see if it's working properly or not. You can either check from here or from here. I'm going to check from the first. So it's Main Street 31st County for John, Stephen, Summer, and basically it's like that. And now you can send multiple letters which have the main content. Now you can send a single letter to multiple people so that they can use it, so they won't get confused, and you also will save a lot of time. So now what you have to do is click on next, complete the merge, and now your mail merge is complete. So you can now just print it or edit the individual dollars, and we're done. So that was it, guys, and see you next time. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.